Have you ever experienced adding sour cream to a cake mix? You can use it in different kinds of recipes, including frostings. Since bakers are usually searching for variations to change fluffiness, texture, and flavor, sour cream is the best option to add in cake mixes. What is sour cream? Traditionally, fermenting dairy cream with lactic acid bacteria results in sour cream. You can use sour cream as an alternative to butter or oil. Moreover, sour cream has bacteria that grow in it. Likewise, that bacteria is where it gets its excellent qualities. In addition to that, the sour cream's acidity will lessen some of the sweetness of a baked good. Similarly, it helps it bake on the inside without burning. Adding sour cream to cake mix. There are many great reasons to add sour cream to the cake mix. It provides moisture and activates baking soda so that the cake rises instantly. Sour cream contains fat, which usually makes a recipe with cake mix creamier. Likewise, it provides additional texture. Also, you can use sour cream to attain an ideal level of thickness. Health benefits of sour cream. Essentially, sour cream may aid the body to absorb fat-soluble vitamins. Also, several kinds of probiotics to boost the immune health and digestive system. They also include vitamins A, D, E, and K. Sour cream is exceptionally rich in fat and calories. On the other hand, lessened fat sour cream contains the same nutrient content, although with small quantities of calories, and approximately 38% less fat. In contrast to that, fat-free sour cream is a product of additives such as food starch gums, including skim milk. Because of this, it keeps its consistency. However, it contains a little bit more carbs depending on the brand of the fat-free sour cream. How to store cake mix with sour cream. First and foremost, you always have to make sure that you use it within 3 weeks of the expiration date. Also, do not forget to put it in the refrigerator after using it. To know if it is still okay, check for actual molds on the surface, yellowing, or discoloration. With that, you have to discard them if ever you see any of these signs. Freezing it will make it last for about 6 months. However, keep in mind that freezing sour cream will ultimately modify the texture. Nevertheless, it is still okay to use it for baking. With that, remember to thaw it in the fridge for several days before you use it. If you like this video, don't forget to like and subscribe.